akhona ngalamahhala sekuyo lento sayiphethe le ndaba hashtag Gwalisa Moses Mabhida nge-15 December 15 ka-December ngiba se-Moses Mabhida wena kusuka eKhuleni eBoksburg eWatville eThwathwa eBenoni eDon Park eFosloras eThembisa eAlexander, that is part of Joburg now. Gwalisa iMoses Mabhida. Amabhasi ayafumaneka ePark Station. Khona amabhasi zonke. Organizer nje ninaqha niyi-group nisesasitrato bangabanisebenzile on the ground na-recruiter shuthi ngumkhondo wesizwe nonke esitratweni nayirenewa i-membership ngoba kaloku leya yalo nyaka kuphele i-membership yaphelelwa nge-16 ka-December la 10 rand boyikhokhile last year yaphelelwa nge-16 ka-December. Renew your membership, ni-recruite niwavuselele amalungu ngokutsha abe ngama-members womkhondo wesizwe ngokupheleleyo and go to the station ePark Station. Futhi ke nina apha eEast Rand osomatekisi association yosomatekisi ingumkhondo wesizwe uGeneral Monk wayeyirecruitile konyaphele association. So sapotani la ekhaya, sapotani black business osomatekisi abangamalungu nihambe nothatha no-taxi association nenze trip nigibele nisigibeze yethu ifunwa yithi umkhondo wesizwe kapapa upresident Jacob Zuma vehicle yokuthi usikhuphe esikuyona more than 70 years but take sikule Babylonian asingazifundisi ukuthi thina samele sigikezwe ukudla sityizwe kodwa le nkululeko ifunwa sithi umkhondo wesizwe okhokelwa ngupresident awufuneli upresident Zuma le nkululeko sifuna umhlaba sifuni ma-councillor positions sifuna umhlaba wethu singama-azaneni omgquba ubuyele ukuthi ezandleni umnotho wethu ubuyele kuthina. So it begins with us, i-empowerment begins with us. Hambani niyogibela ngemali zenu lama-350 futhi anitholi ma-350 niyasebenza ngamathenda khona niyasebenza khiphani epokothweni khiphe epokothweni nihambe niyogibeza nenze trip kosomatekisi nibhatale ma-35 eBoksburg agcwele Israel agcwele futhi ke yi-trip ekususa kule ndawo nizabe nivele nina kule ward okanye kule sub-region nizakukhwelele nozigcwalisela apha mamela ke ndikuxwayise i-N3 that is highway to iyasetyenziswa usuke ngexesha i-under construction i-N3 ningasuki ngo-4 ekuseni niyo-athenda into yaseMoses Mabhida eqalayo mhlawumbi ngabo-11 ningasuki, otherwise nizayibukelela kwi-highway plus i-December. So ama-accident awanqabanga. So nisuke kwasebusuku for the 15th of December. Nisuke kwasebusuku mhlawumbi ngabo-6 so that into yenu ehambayo ihambe nje isigeyile, ingarashanga, ningadakwa. Akudakwa kwaMkhondo Wesizwe, akuphuzwa utshwala emzabalazweni. Sisempini gcwalisa iMoses Mabhida, sizova ukubheka phambili ukuthi how do we move until siba sembuso ngoku, not ngo-2026. Ngoku, because we won the elections. Sisekheyisini njengamanje. So ke bakithi nisuke ngesikhathi, and neshay thetha nabantu baseGauteng ngoba nama beGauteng abasekudini kwesikaKhazani esigodini sabo. Gcwalisa Moses Mabhida, niyayazi basibetha kanjani. Asilindeli thina intoba masiomwe ngabantu, because once you are waiting for i-handovers kwi-leadership, you will be owned by that leadership. You will be owned. Those are the things that we have learned to unlearn. Uma silendisha la kwaMkhondo Wesizwe, those habits zakwagogo ezingasanga ndawo for more than 30 years, ezifake engcindezelweni more and more, sicinga sicinga okokuba sikhululekile kanti asikhululekanga, siyadileywa nje, simane delaying tactics. Shame they've been able to play delaying tactics. Beloko besigcina ngongathi sikhululekile singakhululekanga. Apha kwaMkhondo Wesizwe siyayazi into esizoyifuna. Sifuna ukuthi uPresident Jacob Zuma asilidishe as the chosen Nehemiah out of the Babylonian system eyafika apha ngo-1652. So xa sisigcwalisa i-hashtag, xa sisigcwalisa iMoses Mabhida, asitholonje uba kube yifani. Sifuna intoba ube khona, uyifumane the atmosphere, ufumane lamfutho, lamfuthelo okunikeza umbheka phambili ochazayo into yokuba sisuke phi siyaphi. What is the next door to the case? Yevotrike ufumane umfutho, awuzufumana kamnandi uba ubukele TV, but ke niyawazi ke moske istrategy i-SABC seyafika istrategy, so ayizipha yonke and awuzifumana nisuke kuseni, in fact nisuke late in the evening, niyithandazele i-transport, niyithandazele indlela, niyicele because isitha asidlali, siyaphonsa, bayaloya abantu. We're not going to beat around the bush. Nilisebenzisa igazi likaYesu waseNazaretha, niyifafaze ngegazi eteksini. So zonke inqwelo ungagoqozi, usuke ngejini, usuke eBoksburg uziwa endleleni usiza eMoses Mabhida. Hamba nama-comrade, gibezana, siyagibezana, siyasiza. Wena ogityeziweyo ungabi ngumthwalo magxini kumnikazi transport okugibezileyo. Khipha u-200 rand, khipha imali e-toll gate, khipha makufika kumniwe egarage, thenga amanzi, thenga into yokudla, ukhiphe, ungabi ngumthwalo magxini womnikazi imoto. Akho mnandi beleka abantu babe ngumthwalo magxini kuwo egameni lokuba leadership. We are not leaders here, we are all volunteers, we are all Azanian people that want to be liberated. We're not doing each other's favors. So ningalimazi abantu abanigibezileyo abanenzela ezimotweni zabo, ibe ngathi banikoloda anything. They don't know anything. They are doing so out of the goodness of their hearts. So ukuthi the common purpose, the common vision esingayo yokuphuma engcibezelweni yokubuyekeza komhlaba wethu ezweni loba womkhulu singama-Afrika omgquba i-realizing ngokuthi sibe sisebenzisana. #IsaImoses Mabhida. Eastranders ipolitiki nisayiphethe, of course asayiphethe. Thank you. Asibonane Moses Mabhida ngomhla we-15 kaDisemba. Inkosazana yabaThembu iyanithanda East Rand nabo bosi.